Hi guys, this is Jay from Pageant Try, and I'm here now with one of the most handsome candidates of the inaugural Mr. Philippine Islands 2026. I'm here with MJ or Mark Joseph representing Parañaque. Mark Joseph, how are you?
Okay naman po and excited.
Wow, excited. Aside from excitement, what else do you feel right now na malapit na ang coronation night?
Excited, medyo kabado, and then medyo hindi ko alam kung ano yung mga pwedeng mangyari for the next upcoming days. Pero one thing for sure, prepared naman ako.
I'm just curious about what inspires you to join Mr. Philippine Islands 2026.
Siguro one of the best reason na pwede ko ibigay bakit ako na-inspire ulit mag-pageant. Kasi last year hindi talaga ako nakapag-pageant for the whole 2025 hindi ako nakapag-pageant. So siguro naman yung enough time ko namang preparation magandang inspiration na yun para may bigay ko na try it for one more time. Especially Mr. Philippine Island is the first edition ngayong taon. So yeah.
Yun. Thank you so much for sharing that, MJ. Talking to your preparations, kumusta naman? Given that few days more na lang
Oo
yung
nga
coronation.
Well, hindi ko masabing malaking improvement pero kasi from 90 kilos, nag-down na lang ako to 79 kilos. So I think it's a good improvement naman para sa akin. So it's a really great preparation para sa akin na ma-challenge din yun lalo na ngayon may mga upcoming pageants. So yeah, so yun sa mga bagay na ginawa ko para makapag-prepare.
I know that this is not your first time to join the pageants.
Opo.
So, what have you learned from joining the pageants?
Learning from the pageants, from my previous pageant is always expect the worst. Kasi minsan pag nag-expect ka ng the best, like you win the pageant, you will get for the semi-finalist, it always, or often make you feel na parang disappointed ka sa relo. Just trust yourself and always expect that once you did your best, there's no reason for you to feel down. Kung if ever na matalo ka or manalo, just trust yourself.
Do you believe that everything happens for a reason?
Yes, definitely. Everything happens for a reason itong time na nagkakausap tayo. Siguro isa rin to sa mga reason bakit ako nakaharap sa'yo. So everything happens for a reason probably.
Ayun. So, since you have mentioned a while ago disappointment, how do you handle this?
Well, every time na I feel disappointed with something or about the things na ginagawa ko, I just reminded myself na there's always a time for me to improve or to learn from the mistakes that I have done. And it's never too late to grow and to learn from your actions.
And you are considered as a pageant veteran. So, for those who are joining now na first-timer lang din na nag-join ng national pageant, what's your advice for them?
Sa mga baguhan or sa mga sasali pa lang, siguraduhin mo lang na parang pag sumali ka dahil gusto mo, hindi dahil sa gusto ng ibang tao. Kasi pag gusto mo isang bagay na ginagawa mo, regardless of what is the outcome, you will still be proud and happy to the things na gawa mo, especially kapag first time mo sumali.
Ayun. Thank you so much for sharing that, MJ, and best of luck.
Thank you.
Any social media platforms, and meron ka bang gustong pasalamatan?
So yeah, thank you pala sa director, kay Sir Arnold, kay Sir Avery sa pag-consider sa akin na makasali sa kanilang national pageant, and also to my followers, to my mom, to my family, and also to you. Siyempre, salamat din kasi ni-interview ko lagi tuwing may pageant.
Alright, maraming salamat, MJ, and I'll see you soon again, and best of luck, and
Thank you so
congratulations
much.
in advance. Bye-bye.